Introduction. Kids, you have learned in your previous class about PowerPoint as a very effective and powerful tool to create slideshows or presentations. To give life to your presentation, PowerPoint provides various animation and transition tools. With the help of these tools, you can change the way objects appear, move, and disappear on the slide. Let's see how you can add animation to an object on a slide in PowerPoint 2013. Cool fact: PowerPoint was originally developed just for Apple Incorporation's Macintosh. Cool fact: you can apply multiple animations to a single object present on your slide. Applying animation to an object. To apply animation to an object, follow these steps. Select the object on the slide that you want to animate, for example, a star shape. Then select the Animations tab as shown in the figure below. Click the Add Animation button in the Advanced Animation group. The Add Animation drop-down gallery opens as shown in the figure. There are 4 types of animations present in this list: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. If you are not able to see all animations, scroll down to see them all. In the Add Animation drop-down gallery, click any of the animation effect thumbnail to apply the animation to the selected slide object, star in our example. In case you need to explore more entrance animation effects, select the More Entrance Effects option in the Add Animation drop-down gallery. The Add Entrance Effect dialog box appears, as shown in the figure. The entrance animation effects are grouped into 4 different categories: basic, subtle, moderate, and exciting. Select any one of these entrance animation effects and click the OK button to apply. You can add animation types other than entrance in the same way. Just choose the relevant animation effect for emphasis, exit, and motion path animations. Entrance. This effect controls how the object enters the slide. For example, with the bounce animation, the object will appear onto the slide and then bounce several times. Emphasis. Emphasis animation effects determine how the slide object calls attention towards itself while it is on the slide. These animations are often triggered by a mouse click. For example, you can set an object to spin when you click the mouse. Exit. This effect controls how the object takes exit from the slide. For example, with the fade animation, the object will simply fade away. Motion paths. A motion path moves an object on the slide along a predetermined path like a circle or a line. Adding multiple animations to an object. If you select a new animation from the Animations group, it will replace the object's current animation. However, if you wish to apply more than one animation onto an object, like an entrance and an exit effect, follow these steps. Select the object. Select the Animations tab. In the Advanced Animation group, click the Add Animation button to view the available animations. Select the desired multiple animation effects. To reorder the animations, follow these steps. Select the number label of the effect you want to change. From the Animations tab, click the Move Earlier or Move Later command to change the order. Previewing animations. Preview means quickly checking the effect of applied animations before the final slideshow is viewed. With this, you can immediately decide whether to continue with the applied effect or change or delete it. To preview the animations, follow these steps. Navigate to the slide you want to preview. For the Animations tab, click the Preview command. The animations for the current slide will play. Slide transitions. This is another way of applying an animation effect to the whole slide. which means that you can decide how your slide would appear or disappear on the screen while running the slideshow. You can also add sound effects with the transitions. They add more life to the presentation. Applying transitions. To apply a transition effect to a slide, follow these steps. Select the desired slide from the slide navigation pane. Select the Transitions tab. You will find different transition effects in the transition to this slide group. By default, none is applied to each slide. Click the More drop-down arrow to display all transitions. Click a transition to apply to the selected slide. This will automatically preview the transition. Use the Apply to All command present in the timing group to apply the same transition effect to all the slides of your presentation. Note that this will modify any other transitions that you have already applied to the slides. Cool fact: the Apply to All command in the timing group can be used to apply the selected transition effect to all the slides in the presentation. Cool fact: to remove transitions from all slides, select a slide that uses None and then click the Apply to All command. Slide timings. While giving a presentation of a longer duration, it often becomes a little difficult to manually switch to the next slide, particularly when you are speaking to the audience simultaneously. PowerPoint lets you set a time interval to automatically move to the next slide in the presentation. To set the slide timings, follow these steps. Select the slide to be modified. Go to the Transitions tab. In the timing group of the Advanced Slide box, click the After checkbox and type the number of seconds after which you want to change the slide. If you want all the slides to use the same transition speed, select the Apply to All option. Inserting audio. You can add background music or a sound effect to your slide. You can even record your own narration or commentary and add it to the slides. To insert an audio to a slide, follow these steps. Select the slide on which you want to add the audio file. Select the Insert tab and click the Audio drop-down arrow from the Media group and select Audio on My PC from the drop-down menu that appears. Locate and select the desired audio file, then click Insert. The audio file will be added to the slide and will be selected by default. You can click the Play or Pause button to play the audio file. Two additional tabs, Format and Playback, appear in the Audio Tools tab on the ribbon. The Playback tab has the options to control how the audio will play. It provides the following options. Volume. This button enables you to set the volume for your audio clip. Click the down arrow within the Volume button to open the Volume drop-down gallery and choose one of the following options: Low, Medium, High, or Mute. Start. Using this button, you can specify how you want your audio to start during the presentation. Click the Start list. A drop-down list with the following options will appear. Automatically. This option lets you play your audio automatically when the slide containing the audio appears in the slideshow view. On click. This option lets you play your audio by clicking the audio itself in the slideshow view. Play across slides. This lets you play your audio across the slides. Loop until stopped. This plays your audio repeatedly and continuously when the active slide is shown. Hide during show. Select this option to hide your audio clip graphic in the slideshow view. This option is useful only if your audio is being played automatically or is played across the slides. Rewind after playing. This option is useful if you need to play an audio clip more than once while you are presenting the same slide which contains that audio clip, as it rewinds the audio and plays it again. Recording your own audio. You might want the presentation to include narration or record audio directly for your presentation. Just make sure you have a microphone that is compatible with your computer. To record an audio, follow these steps. From the Insert tab, click the Audio drop-down arrow, then select Record Audio. Type a name for the audio recording, if desired, and click the Record button to start recording. When you have finished recording, click the Stop button. To preview your recording, click the Play button. When you are done, click OK. The audio file will be inserted into the slide. Inserting an online video. Some websites like YouTube allow you to embed videos into your slides. An embedded video won't be physically added to your file, but it will play from its original source on the internet. This reduces the file size of your presentation, but you need to be connected to the internet for the video to play. Printing a presentation. Even though PowerPoint presentations are designed to be viewed on a computer, at times you may want to print them. You can even print custom versions of a presentation, which can be helpful while presenting your slideshow. The print pane makes it easy to preview and print your presentation. To print a presentation, follow these steps. Select the File tab. The Backstage view will appear. Select Print. The print pane will appear. Choose the desired printer and print range. Choose the desired print layout and color settings. When you are done with modifying the settings, click Print.